welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I will be doing the July unboxing of my Sephora Play Box. So if you guys don't know what a Sephora Play Box is, it's basically, if you know what Sephora is very high on makeup, skincare, perfumes, and things like that. That's what you can get at Sephora. And what the subscription box is you basically set up a beauty profile and you can specify your box to makeup, to skincare, to fragrances, you know, basically anything and everything that you can get at Sephora. And that's what I really love about the Sephora Play subscription, because mine is very heavy on skincare items, because that's what I specified on my profile. But on your profile, if you're interested in beauty items like mascaras, eyeshadows, lipsticks, lip glosses, you can specify that and you'll get basically a box full of makeup. But because I very much like the skincare items at Sephora, I try to, you know, my profile is set up to skincare items. So let's get right into it. And again, I'm so sorry guys, I try to get this up early for you, but just to let you guys know, usually we get billed the second or third week of the month. So we get billed, I believe, on the 15th, and then our boxes ship out within a day or two, and then sometimes it takes 2 to 5 days to get to us. So I try to get these videos up for you as soon as I get my subscription boxes, but unfortunately it's not up to me. It's whenever the postman delivers it. And I got this in this week, and usually I don't film videos during the week because I work 9 to 5, so the weekends are usually when I get to sit down and make my videos. So it's a Saturday and I'm sitting down and I'm getting this out for you guys, but unfortunately it's almost towards the end of the month because that's when I get them. But anyways, I just, you know, a little disclaimer, because you guys are probably like, it's pretty much the end of July, why are you just getting this up now? It's not because I'm filming it late, it's because unfortunately the boxes arrive so late in the month. But I'm gonna stop mumbling and let's get right into it. What's really cool is that each box comes with this pamphlet, so inside you can see what all the items are, but I'm not gonna do that yet because I like to unbox what I get with you guys, so you guys get to see my reaction and what I get first before even going in and checking out the brochure to see what I got. And what's also really cool is if you're a frequent shopper at Sephora, they have a rewards program, and every month when you get your pamphlet, you also get this 50-point reward card right here, which is really cool. So basically, if you want to buy something online or you want to buy something in store, you go ahead and you show them this, and this adds 50 points to your rewards, which I really like because I am a heavy shopper at Sephora. So be able to get more points and rack that up and use that for, you know, a perfume sample, a makeup sample. I am all for it. So I love that they include that with every item you get, basically. So that's the first thing, and let's get into the goodies. So when you open it up, you get this little plastic bag, this green bag right here. And every month it's usually the same bag. Usually they just have different colors of it. So this month it's a green bag. And let's see, it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, I believe. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, okay, so I got 7 items this month. And let me show you guys, where did I put it? Okay. Because I said I was going to review what I get from the previous months, but then that video would just be too long and I don't think really makes sense. But I did want to show you guys. So I got this sample in my last subscription box. This is the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. I don't know if that's going to focus. And I just wanted to show you guys. I used it up. There is nothing in there. Well, maybe like a little bit, just, you know, the little bit that I wasn't able to get out, but there is nothing in here, guys. Like, when I tell you I'm crazy for skincare, I'm crazy for skincare. And I think in my last month's subscription I got 2 moisturizers, so this was one of them, and then I got another one. And again, right, they are samples, so they don't last you long. I think this lasted me 4 or 5 uses, but still, it was nice. I really enjoy it. And to be honest, I am gonna go ahead and purchase the big item of this because I really love this. It was so moisturizing, it was so hydrating, and I just wanted to show you guys that I did end up like using all of it. The other moisturizer I got, I ended up using all of it. What else did I get? Oh, I got this really nice also lip mask that you put on at night and wash off in the morning. It was amazing. My lips have never felt so soft before. I'll insert it right here, exactly what it is, because I don't remember it off the top of my head, but I'll insert it for you guys. Absolutely love that mask, and I think the full bottle size is only 20 bucks at Sephora, so I think I might also look into that as well because I was really impressed with it. And I think I still have a little bit of that left, not too much, but I definitely would be interested in repurchasing a bigger size because To be honest with you, it was not a bad deal. It was not a bad deal at all. Okay, so let me put this over here, and I guess let's start. Let's see what we have. All right, so the first item we have is, what is this? Oh, Drunk Elephant. Oh, I've heard of Drunk Elephant. I actually know a lot of people that like this line. So this is the Drunk Elephant Makeup Melting Body Cleanser. Melts and Nourish. Okay, that's cool. So I guess this is just a cleanser. You can use, wait, is it a cleanser? No. Yeah, it says Melting Butter Cleanser. I don't know if that's focusing for you guys. So let's see what that looks like. What does it say back here? It's a cleansing balm that melts all traces of dirt, makeup, and sunscreen from your skin. Here it is. Here is a little sample size of it. This is actually pretty big. This is not that small. What does this say? Oh, okay, so this is 0.46 ounces. That's actually not that bad. Okay, so there's not really a smell to it. It's kind of this, not peachy, but what is this? Kind of like a skin color, beige color, clear color. There's actually no scent to it at all. Okay, so that's interesting. That I'm interested in trying. I personally don't wear makeup every day, so this is probably not an item that I would use every day, but you know what? I do wear makeup from time to time, so I will try this out and I will let you guys know how I feel about it. This is new to me. I've never used like a butter for a cleanser, but I mean, hey, there's a first for everything, right? Why not? All right, so this I can already tell. Oh, cute. Okay, so this is a little perfume sample. And this is Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. I personally like a lot of Marc Jacobs scents. Daisy actually is one of my favorite scents, so I'm really happy that I ended up getting this as a sample. Let's see. Oh, that's so nice. If you guys need a perfume, this is it's very florally, but I feel like it's one of those perfumes and one of those scents that anyone can use it. So like any age group. You know how there's more fruity scents that you would say are more kind of for teenagers and young adult females, kind of like that. And then there's scents that are more for like elderly people. I think this is definitely a scent that everyone can use at every age range. So if you guys are looking for a good perfume, I would definitely recommend the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfumes. They're actually really good. They smell so good. This is really good. And this one specifically is called Daisy Love. So if you guys are interested in a good scent or are looking for something new, I would highly, highly recommend this because it smells so good, so summery, springy, but you can also get away with wearing this in the fall and winter just because it smells really good. So that's awesome. Because I don't think I ever got a sample of Daisy Love before, so that's cute. And then, oh, I know what this is. I have so many of these, to be honest. I get so many of these in my Sephora play boxes, but to be honest, I really don't mind because these are really great for travel sizes. So what this is, what is this? Yep, so this is Clinique. This is their makeup remover in a small kind of sample pack. So this is really great because I end up taking, let me actually show you guys because I have another one up here that I'm not even done with. So this is the one that I have by my makeup items, and then this is the new one. So this is really good because I end up just, oh, this is actually a little bit bigger, I guess. So this is smaller, this is a little bit bigger. So I think I ended up purchasing this myself when I was in a Sephora store because usually I hit up Sephora right before I go traveling somewhere because I like to get smaller size makeup remover items, some smaller size moisturizers, things like that, so I can take with me when I go on vacation. So what's really convenient is that you can just squeeze these in, put them in your makeup bag, and there you go. You have something that takes off your makeup and you don't have to worry about, you know, dragging a whole big pack of makeup wipes with you. So I really, really enjoy that. I actually ended up buying one of those myself, and now I have a few of these little sample bottles, not sample bottles, but these little travel bottles that I take with me when I go traveling. So I really like and appreciate when I get these in my Sephora play boxes. What's our next item? Oh, okay, this is a really good brand. I haven't tried too many items from this brand, but what I have tried I really liked, and I think it is more on the higher end side. So this is, I'm gonna botch it because I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Kadali. Let me try to get this up close for you guys. I'm botching this because I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know it's kind of a little bit more on the pricier side, this brand. And this is the Vino Proof Serum Skin Perfecting Serum. Sorry, I was trying to read like the French translation of it, but it's a Skin Perfecting Serum. And let's see, does it say anything? Sunburn. Nope. So basically it just tells me what the products are. But let me see if it will tell me on the sheet. Okay, so it says it's an acid pore minimizing serum. Okay, so that's interesting. So it's basically for your pores. It is a serum. I love serums. Serums are usually just more specified to what you need for your skin, right? So you have moisturizers, which you should put on at the end of all the serums and everything you add to your face. But serums are really good because there's a lot of serums that, you know, target wrinkles, anti-aging, things like that. Something that minimizes pores, which is what this is. So I think that's really great. I really love getting anything that's like serums and moisturizers because I love to try that new stuff out on my skin. So that I'm really happy about. And this is kind of a pricier brand. So I'm really happy that I got that sample. Okay, and now we have our last two items. So what is this? Oh, cute. Okay, so this is just like a lip pencil in this beautiful nude color. That's cute. Oh, that's really nice. Let me swatch this for you guys. Oh, that is really nice. So that's the swatch. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but that is really nice. That's actually going to be really nice against my skin tone. So isn't this really nice? Because this almost looks like it's full size. This doesn't even really look like a sample size. I really like that. I think it's a great neutral color. And let me see. What is the... I guess the brand is Bite. B-I-T-E. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's kind of shimmering right there. The B's a little bit cut off, but it looks like it's a B-I-T-E. So the brand is Bite. I've never used this brand before. I've had NARS, like little, what are these called? Like lip, you know, creamies and things like that. But I've never had this brand, so I'm interested in trying it. It feels very soft to the skin, and I really like the tone of it, and I think it would be really nice on the lips. So I'm really excited for that. I actually haven't gotten a lipstick or like a lip balm or anything in my Sephora play for a while, so I'm actually really happy that I ended up getting one of these like cream lipsticks because I haven't gotten one in a while, and I really love this color. So I'm super excited for that because I think I'm going to start using that right away. I really like that. And then our last item. Oh, nice. Okay, so I've heard really good things about this brand, but I myself have never tried it before. So this is the Kiehl's brand, and this is Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. And I'm trying to think. I think this is just, oh, it says Overnight Mask. So I've never tried this before. Have you guys tried this? Or have you guys tried the Kiehl's brand? Because I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I know a lot of my friends that use a lot of items from these from the Kiehl's brand, but I myself have never used it. But this is interesting. Let's see. Directions. Leave on overnight. Motion. Okay, I kind of want to look a little bit more into this. So that was actually my last item in my bag, but I want to look more into this mask. What is this? Fall asleep anywhere, wake up. Oh, so this is nice. So you can basically, this is kind of a night mask because it says to fall asleep with it. And then what's really nice is for the directions, it just says to, you know, put all over your face and then leave it on. So it's not something that you have to put on your face overnight and then wipe it off, which I kind of really get annoyed with things like that. That kind of really just, I don't like that because I don't remember to do that in the mornings usually, you know, like, yes, I have a skin routine that I follow at night, but everything I do at night is usually I can leave in and I'm good to go. I don't have to wipe it off or use a cloth in the morning. So I really like that because I really do get irritated with items that you get that you have to wipe off in the morning. Because to be honest, I don't remember to do that, okay? I am in such a rush usually in the mornings that I don't have time to sit there and like do all this extra to my face. So I really like that. So I really like, so it seems like it's you'll wake up with a visibly firmer and smoother skin. So it's a firming and like soft skin mask. It's a mask. I was gonna say moisturizer, but it's not a moisturizer. And then what else did I want to look into? Oh, the lipstick. Okay, yep, so it is Bite Beauty, B-I-T-E, and it's their matte creamy lip crayon. Oh, cute. Okay, I've never had a lip crayon before, so I'm excited for that. Okay, and that's all, guys. I'm not gonna, you know, take up a whole video talking any much more about it. So those are the items that I received in my July box, and I am super excited to use a lot of these items. Again, all of these items except for the makeup remover liquid, I've already used this, but all these other items I have not used before, and I'm actually super excited, especially for that firming mask. Like I said, I love my serums, I love my masks, so I'm so excited. And as usual, Sephora Play did not disappoint. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, what I'll do is, just like I pulled an item from my last box, in my next subscription box unboxing for Sephora Play, I'll try to use another one of these items before the next unboxing, and I'll let you know, did I like it, would I recommend it, because the items that I got from my previous box that I showed you, I absolutely loved, and I finished the majority of it. And that's what I really love about Sephora Play, is that you're not just getting items that you're gonna throw to the side and not be interested in. At least myself, I set up a profile that is very heavy on skincare, so when I get this stuff in, I try to use it right away. Like, I don't wait and think on it, or, you know, just push it to the side and say, okay, I'll get to it eventually. Like, I use this stuff up. And I think last time I got either 5 or 6 items, I can't remember, and I think I only have one item left, which is that lip mask that I had from last time, because it didn't run out, because I don't use it every night. That's the only item I had left. The moisturizers I used, I think I got like a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner or something like that, use that. And then I can't remember the other items I had, but all used, like, done. I use them all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and more to come, because again, this is a monthly subscription box. Comment down below any comments you have. I'm super active in my comment section. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned to next month's box. Thanks for watching, guys.